Okay, Josh, I'm back.
Welcome back, Alex. Turning everything on.
This is Josh Micro, our whole home automation product, and we're really excited to start shipping this to customers on Monday. And here I've got the first unit that's been shipped to the US. I'm excited to do an unboxing. I want to show you what's inside. So here's the black box. Got Josh Micro, AI for your home. On the back side, little message from the founders. And this is the Carrera white model. It comes in both a white and an onyx black. Over here we've got the actual device right there. I'll take her out for a second. It's sitting on this tray that we can put over here. This is if you want to run it with just regular power and on Wi-Fi. So we'll take out, there's our power cable. And then this is our wall transformer. So this would just plug in right like that. And then the bottom of the device has a USB-C port, which you can see right over there. And so that's what this would plug into right there. So that you can run it on Wi-Fi and power. Over here, if you lift up this little information card, and it tells you a little bit about how to set things up, you'll see we have a little wall mount kit. So this is our PoE adapter. This would plug right into the bottom there as well. And with this, you can wall mount, you can run it straight up with PoE. So this ring here is if you want a wall mount micro. So you basically would just screw that right to the wall, cut a hole out and run PoE right through it. And that's what's in this bag right here, the screws that go in there to allow that wall mounting. This then magnetically fixes right to the bottom so that your device is able to mount right to your wall. So setting it up is really easy. All we have to do is take the Josh Micro, I plug the USB cable over here into power. It slides into the bottom here. If you're running it out the back, it snaps in just like that. You'll peel this tape off, and it's already booting up.
Hey there, I'm Josh. Open the app and let's get started.
So in the app, you can add a micro right here at the bottom. Just tap Add Micro. Select which building to add it to. I actually just added this one already though, so it's going to show up there in micros. There it is. If you tap on settings, you can go and configure the wake word, scenes, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now let's give it a try. Okay, Josh, close the shades and turn off the lights.